Hi, hello, welcome to Adobe Illustrator Masterclass, Adobe Illustrator Complete Mega Course Beginner to Advanced. In the chapter number 16, we will learn about the advanced tool of mesh tool, symbol, spread tool, like that. Okay, just go to your Illustrator. So, this is the mesh tool. A minute. Now, this is open. A mesh tool. We can create a mesh, create and edit a meshes and mesh envelope like that. So I will just explain you with the help of example. I will create a one boundary. Just a minute. I want to one rectangle. Okay, this is the rectangle, and I want to background should be black or yellow. Okay, yellow background I want. This is the yellow background. Okay, and if you want to lock this rectangle, just press the Ctrl 2 to lock. Okay, now this is the lock system. Ctrl D to lock. And if you want to unlock this, here right click, unlock rectangle, unlock. Okay, so I just have to lock this background yellow, and I am creating something attractive. I want ellipse like that. Okay, and with the help of direct selection tool, I want something is like that. Laser tool, no. Anchor point tool, pen tool, like that. Just a minute. Shit. Yeah. So I want mesh tool. Now click the mesh tool. I want row. You will see one row and column will be generated. One row, one column will be generated. If I click this row, only column will be generated like that. Just click the mesh tool. Here column will be generated. Okay, if you want row also, you can click here to row and column will be generated like that, like that. If you want only column like that, you can create here. You will see here. So there also I want. Okay, and here also I want column, row, like that. So this is the my, just a minute, color will be not displaying. Okay, now I want the anchor point should be the color. Okay, this anchor point, select the anchor point and go to the color box like that. Go to the color box, color guide. Just a minute. Okay. Now I want this anchor point. Select first your object. Go to mesh tool. Select this anchor point. To this anchor point I want some color. Okay, just go to window and find your switcher. I want red color. From this anchor point to this anchor point I want yellow color. Okay, this anchor point to this anchor point I want red color. Just select anchor point, yellow color, anchor point, red color, anchor point, yellow color. So some attractive design will be created. Okay, now so with the help of mesh tool we can create a row. With the help of mesh tool we can create some attractive design, some symbol of balls, and divide this particular areas of your design to row with column. With the anchor point, with the help of anchor point, you can fill the color also like that. Okay, so and the next is a symbol sprayer tool. Symbol sprayer tool. With the help of symbol sprayer tool, just click here, symbol sprayer tool. Here is the some advanced tool, symbol sprayer tool. Just click and go to symbol. Here also the symbol. Okay, symbol sprayer tool means here is the inbuilt symbol is available like a flower. I want flower to display over here like that. Okay, so symbol. If you making some marriage invitation card or something like so you can flower. Okay, inbuilt symbol is there. You can some like that. I want some logo design of mobiles or something like I want mobile. So here is the mobile will be showing like that. So here is the option to go with the category wise. Okay, flower, you want something new flower like that. This flower I want spread. Okay, and here is the some advanced option, symbol shifter tool. Symbol, whatever is symbol you have designed, you can shift this symbol to particular area like that. I just want to show you. Just a minute. Go to shifter. Just I want this symbol spread to. I want this flower should be over here. Okay, and another option, symbol shifter tool. This symbol should be shift over here. You can shift this symbol to over here. Okay, another is the symbol scratch, chota karna, scratch tool like that, small size. Third one is symbol sizer tool, bigger one like that. Fourth one is symbol spinner tool, spine like that. You can rotate your symbol like that, spine. Fifth one is symbol stainer tool, stainer like that, colorful. Seventh one is symbol screener tool like that. Darkness will be low. Okay. Seventh one or last one is symbol styler tool. This is the very advanced. I will explain you later. Okay. So in this video I have explained you the mesh tool. With the help of mesh tool we can design like that, and with the help of symbol spray tool we can create a one symbol, or you can use the inbuilt symbol also, or you can, after making your symbol, this is my symbol I think so, and I want this symbol to future use, just put in over here symbol name like that. My name is Paresh. Okay, and we can put it over here. This is my symbol. In the future, if I want the symbol, my symbol, this lock, unlock this rectangle and delete it. I want this symbol to design over here. Just go to symbol. Where is the symbol? Here. Select your symbol and spread here. Like that. Okay. So thank you.